Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my Patreons. Please support me on Patreon. And if you're in the market to buy a Tesla, please use my referral code. Thank you for those who have. I really appreciate it. Listen, when you buy a car, any car, at one point you want to trade it or you want to sell it or whatever it is, and for the car to be in a good resale value and safe and sound, you need to maintain it. Now, we all know that maintaining electric cars is so much cheaper and so much easier than gas cars. You don't need to worry about all kinds of other things. Now, I own two Tesla Model Ys and two Tesla Model 3s, and the maintenance between them is very, very similar. Actually, it's exactly the same thing with one exception or two. So the Tesla Model, so we're going to go over the Tesla Model Y essentials, regular visual inspections, optimizing the battery health so you can really have a good range for a long time, performance and battery habits, smart software storage, annual care required, and a component replacement and long-term fluid checks and all that. Now, I can tell you that 99.9% of all of this is do-it-yourself. Okay, now I used to do it, now I'm lazy, so I just call Tesla Mobile to come and they do it, but you can absolutely and totally do this yourself. Having said that, let's go over the essential from zero emission to zero guesswork. We'll talk about the system of the Model Y. I choose the Model Y, this is the cars that I drive, but this is applicable to all Tesla cars, and frankly, if you don't have a Tesla car, any other electric car, because they're very similar, maintenance require, so no more oil changes, no more friction, no more belt timing, no more plugs, no more radiators, none of this. I used to shell thousands of dollars maintaining my old gasoline cars. No more. Okay, Tesla maintenance is digital, environmental, self-managed, software update. I just got a software update this morning on one of my Tesla Model Y. It's so easy. It really is as a DIY, do it yourself. Really easy peasy, no big deal. Okay, so let's talk about the four-core system, okay? Vision, the sensors or the cameras. One of my Teslas, my 21 Teslas, still have sensors. Nowadays, it's only cameras, okay? If you drive autopilot or if you have FSD, you make sure that once a week, or unless there is a big snowstorm or dust or schmutz, clean your cameras. I have a little rag in my car, go around, it takes 1 second, you clean your cameras, okay? Battery, talk about the battery longevity, it's very important, okay? We'll talk about the cabin air filtration. Really easy, all you can do it by yourself, no big deal. And tire rotation, tires is the most important thing, it's the only thing that touches the ground. You want to have good tires, it's very important. I just want to tell you guys, that the software updates are so important that some people neglect this. Sometimes I rent a car during Turo and this guy has like a software updates from 2 years ago. No, you want to do software update, it's very important. Also, remember, you have 8 years warranty on the battery and the drivetrain, or 120 to 130, depends what version of car you have, 30,000 miles, whichever comes first. So you have that peace of mind. Okay, so first of all, charging. The battery is the most important component still. Okay, if you have a regular lithium-ion battery, 20 to 80% daily. Okay, you're going a long trip, keep it plugged in. Okay, very important. If you have an LFP battery, that will be 22, let's say, the 22 models or below. My son has one. You have to charge it to 100% at least once a week. Okay, so it's very important to use a level 2, have that the priority. Even a 110 outlet from your garage will do, especially when you go away. Charge your car. Do not let it go below 20 and do not let it go above 80 on a daily basis. You have a long trip, you want to do a big shot at the big range at the beginning, charge it to 100%, but go right away. Don't leave it 100% for like 3 days and then you go. No. Charge and go. Okay, plug. Cars like to be plugged just like humans. We like to be warm. Okay, preheating, preconditioning. If you leave the house the same time every day, do the preconditioning. I do it all the time on the schedule, on the app. It's great. If you go to supercharging, put your destination so the car does the preheating, even if you know where you're going, okay? Because that's the only way to do the preconditioning. Now, tires. I am very religious about tires, okay? Every 6,250 miles or 10,000 kilometers, do a tire rotation. Can you do it yourself? Of course you can. I used to do it. If not, Tesla Mobile will come to your house, or if you go to the local Midas or whatever it is that you use, they can do it for you. They know what to do. It's easy. Do that. Check the tire pressure once a month. Every 20,000 miles, or every 15,000 miles, 20,000 kilometers or so, or 1 year, clean the lubricant of the brakes. Now, we have a curse and a blessing at the same time. The blessing is the regenerative braking. I have not replaced brakes or brake pads since 2015, when I started owning electric cars, because of the regenerative braking. However, because of that, it can have some rust, it can have some dust. You should clean it, especially if you live in a cold state, the salt and the schmutz and all that. You should clean it, you should clean it, you should clean it. It's very, very important, okay? Because of their regen. Every 4 years, brake fluid and all that. If you don't know how to do it, just call Tesla. They'll do it for you. It's not that expensive. It's okay. Again, vision. All the autopilot, all the FSD work on vision or on sensors. Clean them up once a week. Clean them up. It's fine. You have over-the-air software. Do it. Don't be lazy. Do it. Clean. It's easy. It takes 30 seconds, if that, to wipe the cameras around. And the front camera in the new Teslas have that spritzer, and you can do it automatically. Okay, cabin. Okay, very important. Change your wiper blade, let's say once a year, and if you see that it's making lines, change it. The cabin filtration. If you start smelling some stink, time to do it. If not, every 2 years. The HEPA filter, every 3 years. It's very important. I have driven through car fires. You know, I drove, and it was a huge car fire 2 weeks ago at the airport. Huge smoke, and you know, you couldn't breathe. Get in the car, put your HEPA on, and you'll be much safer from all the particles and all the schmutz that going on. Okay? Exterior car wash. I'm like so pedantic about car washes, hand car washes, not those brushes. I used to do it myself because I just enjoyed it. I don't anymore, but take it to a local hand wash. I wash my cars maybe once a week, sometime 3 times a month if I don't have time. Wash your car, especially if you live in cold state. All that schmutz underneath, wash your cars. Exterior, wash your car. Not too much high pressure washing, and make sure that the car is clean, especially under the mats. You want to sell your cars, schmutz under the mats. It becomes, it rots and it smells. And make sure your windows are closed, because a mold smell, your car will worth $0. Puke or anything like that. Clean your car. Make sure it's clean all the time. It's good for your safety, for your environment, and it's good for resale. Do it all the time. Okay, digital control, like I said, software update, maintenance. If you need to know what is going on, go to control service maintenance. Use this menu to perform general vehicle health. Check and view the maintenance summary. Keep receipts, guys. Keep receipts, print or on your app. If you do it, somebody's, or keep a schedule if you do it yourself. Keep receipts so you can always show the log of what you did, whether you do it yourself or you take it to the local guy. It doesn't matter. Keep it. It's very important, okay? So you have the weekly and monthly chart, what you need to do. You have the annual, okay? Tire rotation, replace wiper blade. You have the biannually, replace standard cabin air filtration. And you have the long-term care of fluids and HEPA filters and all that. Okay, guys, that's it. Good luck. Take good care of your car. You'll enjoy it, and you can get good price for when you're selling it. Thanks, guys, for watching.